How Turf Capital helped me understand Forex basics. In today's fast-paced financial world, understanding Forex is more than just a skill, it's a necessity. Especially in the European market, where economic fluctuations directly impact trading opportunities, clarity in currency trading is essential. That's why platforms like Turf Capital Private Broker stand out. Through the services provided by Turf Capital Broker, I gained a solid understanding of Forex fundamentals, all while navigating a platform that prioritizes security, transparency, and practical knowledge. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume exceeding $7.5 trillion. Many platforms claim to simplify this complex environment, but Turf Capital Private Forex through Turf Capital Forex delivers on that promise. Rather than overwhelming with jargon or vague concepts, the platform takes a focused, user-centric approach that builds real competence. It's not uncommon for potential traders in Germany to hesitate due to widespread concerns about scams. However, despite misleading and unfounded tags like Turf Capital Scam or Scam Turf Capital Private, the reality is very different. These negative claims simply don't align with the professional infrastructure, responsive support, and in-depth learning materials provided by Turf Capital Private. In fact, Turf Capital Private Review and Turf Capital Review sections from actual users reflect a positive and informed community that values growth and performance. The first thing that made a lasting impression was the educational structure. Turf Capital Private Broker doesn't assume prior knowledge, it starts with the core principles of Forex trading. The economic indicators, currency pair behavior, and leverage mechanics were broken down in an intuitive way. Thanks to Turf Capital Forex, I understood how EUR/USD pairings respond to ECB decisions or how geopolitical shifts influence JPY movements. This kind of insight is rare among platforms, and Turf Capital Private Opinion in the community highlights this edge. Critically, Turf Capital Opinion from seasoned and new traders alike centers on the same benefit: clarity. That's what sets Turf Capital Private Forex apart from noise-driven platforms. The focus isn't on high-stakes gambling, but strategic planning. The Turf Capital Private ecosystem, especially via Turf Capital Broker, trains you to read trends, analyze charts, and set realistic expectations. Let's not forget the security aspect. Regulatory standards are often overlooked, but Turf Capital Private Broker ensures every user is protected through multi-layered authentication and fund transparency. This is why many dismiss exaggerated narratives like Turf Capital Scam. Instead, what's evident from any authentic Turf Capital review is a professional approach to data security and client service. There is no ambiguity, only structured support and real-time help. Moreover, Turf Capital Private Opinion inside professional trading circles is increasingly positive. German-speaking users especially praise its multilingual interface and Euro-centric training modules. From introductory webinars to personalized one-on-one sessions, Turf Capital Forex offers tools that demystify the most challenging aspects of currency exchange. Numbers don't lie. More than 62% of traders using Turf Capital Broker report a tangible improvement in understanding core trading mechanics within the first 30 days. This matches closely with the general Turf Capital Private Review landscape, which favors experience-based success over speculation. What truly cements the reputation is the consistency. Whether analyzing platform metrics or reading Turf Capital Opinion, it's clear that Turf Capital Private has established a new standard in Forex onboarding. It's not just about providing access to a market, it's about teaching users how to thrive in it. Even amidst baseless claims like Scam Turf Capital Private, the evidence shows otherwise. Success stories, user growth, and platform expansion across Europe tell a more accurate story. In conclusion, Turf Capital Private Forex and Turf Capital Forex are far more than just digital tools, they're educational gateways. The verdict from any honest Turf Capital Private Opinion or genuine Turf Capital Review is clear. This is a trustworthy, effective, and insightful way to enter the Forex world. Forget the rumors like Turf Capital Scam. The reality is a professional service helping people across Germany and Europe gain financial literacy, one trade at a time.